Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. It's a small box. This time it's a small box. So let's see what's inside here. So this is it's not a bit heavy, so I wonder what is this. Let's open. There. Oh, what's that? Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's a Blu-ray.
No, they're DVDs this
Oh,
time.
DVDs.
I don't normally buy DVDs anymore, but these were buy one get one free, and they have not released them on Blu-ray, so I took a chance.
Oh.
Because I don't know if they will ever release them on Blu-ray.
So this is...
As it was buy one get one free.
This is buy one get one free.
Yeah.
Oh,
From a
wow.
company called Network that releases
Amazing.
them. They release British TV series.
This is amazing. 2-in-1.
Yeah. The Baron is from the 60s, mid-60s. Do the Baron first.
So this one.
Yeah.
So this is starring Steve Forrest.
Yeah, he's an American actor.
So I don't
in a
know.
British TV series.
I haven't heard about his name, so I don't know him.
It's similar to The Saint with Roger Moore.
And this is Sue Lloyd.
Yeah.
So this is 19...
Mid-60s.
1966.
Yeah.
Oh,
The complete series. It was only one season, I think.
yeah, it's Region 2. And this is PG.
Yes.
Oh, so this is 8 films in this.
Should be about 8 discs maybe.
Yeah, 8 this.
Should be about, I don't know, maybe around 26 episodes. Approximately.
Also per episode. So one...
Probably around 4 episodes per disc.
Oh yes! See, that is the one at the back. It's 4 episodes per disc. I thought it's all this is one film.
No.
But it's not. So that's what
50 minutes in length each episode.
Oh. So this is a series.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it says here it's complete series.
Yeah.
So it's good. Oh, so this is good because you got a lot. You got a lot of this. So you got 36.
Is it 36 episodes? Don't think there's that many.
Oh no, because this 8 is only 2.
Huh.
Yeah. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 22, 26, 28. 28. Yeah. So, and that is Sue Lloyd. I haven't heard about her either. So,
Yes.
because it's 1960s. So, some of the 1960s stars, I haven't heard of them. But I would like to watch this because it's a series. So we have to watch starts from series 1.
Yeah, they're self-contained episodes, so doesn't really matter too much.
And
But
also
it's
this,
best to watch
this is there's a
from
special
number 1.
features in here as well.
That's good.
Yeah, interview with Johnny Goodmans and Sue Lloyd, and also extension image gallery, PR image gallery with surviving music soundtrack. Trailers and credits for feature film versions. On-set news footage at Elstree Studio. Also, this is UK.
Yeah, British series.
Yeah, British series.
But American actor in the lead.
Yeah, commercial break, bumpers, foreign titles, script, PDFs, press booklet. Also, there is a booklet in there. Oh, so that's nice. So this is the first time that you bought DVD for such
a
a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, Because before,
Only because they were buy one get one free,
oh,
and they haven't
right.
released them on Blu-ray. If they were available on Blu-ray, then
So
I would
how
have
much
just
is it?
got that.
So how much is it?
It worked out at about £17 each.
Each.
Yeah, each box set,
Oh,
including postage and packing.
so is
Because
that,
this was not from Amazon, it was from Network themselves. If you buy this in Amazon, they actually cost about 4 times as much.
oh,
This is being sold direct from the company that released them, Network.
oh, so if you buy it from third party?
It costs a lot more.
Oh, right, okay. So this is different from this, because
Yeah,
this is
different series called Jason King.
So
was
this
made,
is series as well.
yeah,
I
complete
haven't heard about this
complete
series.
series. This one is not as good, but I had to choose something,
Network.
so I can get one buy one get one free.
Oh, so is that um
It's Peter Wingard playing Jason King. It's the
oh,
complete series again. That character first appeared in a different series, which was actually a lot better, called Department S.
which one? Oh, see, I thought it's the vigilante.
No,
It looks like the vigilante.
show that one as well.
So this is it the same?
The
Oh, different.
character Jason King was in this series first, Department S, which is much, much better.
Yeah. And
That's the
then after
complete series as
this,
well. And then when that series finished, they made Jason King.
oh,
Same character,
so the same
same actor,
character, same
but
actors,
different setting.
and the other actresses.
No, they're not in it.
Ah, it's only him.
Yeah.
That is the same. So
Yeah.
that's the same thing.
Yeah.
He's the main
The
actor.
Department S was more like a spy series.
Both of them.
No, only Department S.
Oh, so
'Cause
this is a spy series.
Yeah. But it's quite good. Whereas Jason King is not all that good. It's watchable. He plays a writer. He played the same character in Department S as well.
Oh, so and this is PG as well.
Yeah, that's also the complete series. But I bought that some time ago. It wasn't buy one get one free.
Oh, so you bought this separately
Yeah, and
before?
that is in Blu-ray.
Oh, so
They
this is
released it in
Blu-ray.
Blu-ray.
Ah, and this one, don't they have it in
No,
Blu-ray?
they haven't released that in Blu-ray. I don't know if they ever will.
Okay, so this is complete series as well.
Yeah, again, it was only one season.
So it's 7 discs in here.
Not
So
8.
it says this 1
What
to
does it say?
7,
What is that 8 on the front?
8 disc. And maybe another one in here. Extensive episode image galleries, disc 1 to 7. So that's what I'm looking. So,
8 discs.
so this is 8 disc. So that is the one at the back. So it's okay because if it's DVD on the side, it says DVD in here, so you won't be you won't be like, what do you call that, mistaken to thinking this is Blu-ray. Because let's see, oh, so the Blu-ray is shorter.
Yeah.
It's shorter.
Yeah.
And it's and
Blu-ray
this
is much better quality, high definition.
and it's more wider on the side, the width.
Not necessarily. Just
It
depends on how many
depends.
discs there are in
Oh, see, it depends on how many discs.
and how it's packaged.
Right. Yeah, okay, so that is the one. So this is the buy one take one.
Buy one get one free.
Buy one get one free. Yeah, it's buy one take one.
Bug off.
Buy one get one free. And
Yeah.
this is the other one.
Yeah, which is
Yeah.
which I bought separately with one that was on sale some few years ago.
So, okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. These 2 DVDs and 1 Blu-ray. Complete set.
Yeah, complete series each
Complete series each. Thank you. Love, love, love.